Yes, so my own name na Peacemaker, and I welcome you to Hypertension Clinic. This is where we learn and laugh. You know, the main thing is not the apple for Obodo, Nigeria. Recently, we hear say our before governor, Mr. Raji Babatunde Fashola, aka the legend of the Sika, aka the ultimate search winner 2020, aka Mungo Park. We hear say just discover something for Lekki, and I be the camcorder. But una come dey discover, una come dey wonder say wetin dey inside this camcorder. Even Baba no know wetin dey inside the camcorder. The Baba try, you know say na him be the Minister of Works, and to discover something na still work. Wetin Baba come discover for the camcorder, Baba sef no know, but we know. And una wan know too, oya mo na check am. As the Ota road too bad, Agbara o, Aton, everywhere for Ota, no place good. All the federal road from here to Diroko, nowhere good. So Baba, I take God beg you. Then for my fellow Lagosians, I take God beg you. You know say now wey Baba don discover camcorder, I bet for now get wedding, you get birthday, any party where you get, I bet post invite Baba, so Baba go there for do some coverage. Another one wey dey na be the US matter o. They come rescue one of their citizens for Naija. Oh boy, those people dey try, their network full ground. I come dey discover say for Naija, assuming say na me now, God forbid, they no fit kidnap me. Assuming say na somebody, even for our area, police lost, we dey find a DPO say who send am go that side. Even our girl, one of our girls, Lay Shaibu, wey still dey book study, till today. We no see anybody rescue her. Nigerians come dey tweet, dey talk say may our president may use the same method to rescue our girl Leah Sharibu wey dey inside Boko Haram custody. See Baba response.